Notifications were issued by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to announce that there will be no question hour in order to prevent crowding. The statement issued by Lok Sabha said, it was decided to do away temporarily with question hour due to the extraordinary situation that has been caused by COVID and to avoid assembling of large number of officials to be present in galleries of the House during the question hour in view of the need for social distancing. And a debate ensued about the importance of question hour. So, is the question hour really important? Question hour is the first hour of a sitting session of India's Lok Sabha devoted to questions that members of parliament raise about any aspect of administrative activity. Questions are one of the ways parliament can hold the executive accountable. The concerned minister is obliged to answer to the parliament either orally or in writing, depending on the type of question that has been raised. There are 4 types of questions that can be asked: starred, non-starred, short notice questions, and questions to private bills. Starred questions are those for which an oral answer is expected and a supplementary question can be asked. Non-starred questions are those for which a written reply is expected and no supplementary question can be asked. Short notice questions are those which are asked on matters of urgent public importance and thus can be asked on a shorter notice, that is less than 10 days. Questions to private members are those which are asked to members who are not ministers.
If we ask questions in court, it is contempt. If we ask questions on the street, it's sedition. And now to ask questions even in parliament is forbidden. So where is the chance that opposition members like ourselves and opposition parties, who you have to remember have got more than 60% combined of vote share in this polity, where do we ask the questions? How do we hold the government responsible?
People opposed to doing away with the question hour believe that the question hour is the time when democracy is in action, as ministers are duty bound to reply to queries raised during the question hour. The whole process of motions and resolutions and so on is circumvented. Basically, question hour helps to cut the clutter and address questions of urgency. This is exactly what made Trinamool Congress MP and floor leader in the Rajya Sabha, Derek O'Brien, tweet that the pandemic is being used as an excuse to murder democracy.
We never had a COVID-19 kind of a situation for a century. The independent India has not seen a situation of this kind. And certainly these are special circumstances. And this parliament is running for almost 3 weeks.
People supporting the doing away of the question hour believe that even though it is an important procedural device, it is not something that democracy is based on. So it can be kept aside for a 15-day session as the pandemic has brought with it unprecedented times. Some also believe that question hour is unimportant in general, as that period is marked by disruptions, protests, and basically confusion. These are unprecedented, unpredictable times, but the democratic processes adapt to difficult times of social, economic, or political changes. Democratic processes cannot be abandoned by deeming them procedural requirements. India was a functional democracy before the pandemic and will be one after the pandemic, so it must try to be one even during the pandemic.